Hi everyone and welcome to Responsive Email Designer from CoffeeCup. CoffeeCup recently launched two applications, one Responsive Email Designer Pro, another one Responsive Email Designer Basic for both Mac and Windows. This is Pro version on Mac and I love it compared to the basic one. I have both of them, I have basic and Pro. And I love the Pro version, which I have full control of every single element. From the top here, we have campaign setting. In general tab, we can add our username and password of CoffeeCup account and sign up and add our personal email accounts, link it with the red Responsive Email Designer, and we can add profiles of the users which we need to send an email, and the list all will be registered here. And of course, we can add image. In the asset folder, we create a folder, we name image, then we upload our images. Then we are done with all the assets folder, and of course we can preview it locally. Built-in preview, which is cool. If you need to view it on your browser, on your install browser, you can do it from here. And you can export your project. Of course, you have to follow with the registration here, and you can save it on locally or online from the CoffeeCup S Drive, I believe. If you have a paid version, which is you can maintain, but I think trial version, they give a 2 or 3 month trial version for the account for us to test it out, which is very cool. Then from the by default, we have this template, and of course we can start our new blank project from here. New blank document, we create new blank document and we start our design. From the right side of the application, we have layout tab, element tab, and design tab. In the layout, we can manage our rows from here. We can add and delete our rows from here, and we set our columns 1 to 12 column base, and through here we can manage the columns. We can merge to right or left, right and left, and we can divide our columns, and of course we can delete and we can move up and down from here. And by default, it comes up with a single breakpoint, which we can move left and right, and we can adjust it from here as well. And if we need breakpoints, custom breakpoints, we can add, of course. This is our custom breakpoints, and we can delete from here. Then we go to elements. In the element panel tab, we have heading 1 to 6. We have a paragraphs. We have a buttons. 3 types of buttons we have here. A normal button with a text button with text, and rounded buttons. And as you see here, we have text link, text, plain text, and image. Varieties of spare issues. And another list link, image. This is which one I like it, which is really cool. Let me add one here. Oops. From here we can add image with text. If I need to have the image on the left and text on the right, I can add from here. And if I need to have image on the right and text on the left, I can have this. Very cool. And beside that, we have horizontal rule. We can modify the color from every single element from the design panel, in the design tab. Another cool things, we have full of social media. We have such as Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and so on. So many of them, YouTube. And if you need a single social icons here, you can add from here the text and plain as well. The other things in the Pro version, we have a container with the link, and some of these elements is not available in basic version. So that's why I strongly advise you guys, if you are intent to buy this application, go for Pro version. I'm never regretted. I'm thankful to the Adam that which has introduced this application to me, which I intend to buy the basic one, but then Adam advised me to go to Pro version, and I'm not regretted. Thank you for that. And I so advise guys, anyone who want to buy this application, go for a Pro version. In the design tab, we have full control of every single item. And of course, one thing I like about this application, we can add our own custom class. Custom class here, you select the element, you add your class. For paragraphs, we have full control of typography and some of the fonts available. Here is some of the Google fonts. If your client supports, then go for it. And if you notice, some of them have a question mark here. Click on question mark and read it here. Some emails, client ignore some of these styles. So watch out for that. Such as for spacing, we have question mark here. And we go and read this, which email clients will ignore these styles. Same thing for shadows. And some of the email clients rejects border. You go on here and click on these question marks and read on to which clients ignore those. CoffeeCup with responsive email designer have made fantastic jobs. And if you need to edit your text from here, just simply click, you select your elements and click for text instead. Select here, change some of your typographies from here. You can edit them, edit your text when you select them, or delete them, or add few more text. Then click outside, then you come back to the normal design or normal screen. Once again, this is Pro version on the Mac, and I'm really happy to have this application. It helps me, which we know writing hand coding on table-based email design is extremely hard. Let's make jobs like a week's jobs in a 2 hours. Once again, I'm very happy and excited about this application, and hope to see another application which is responsive site designer. I really love to see that. I'm sure that's an upcoming application that will be for future. That's it for now.